Banned gadgets on Amazon that you can still buy. In recent years, Amazon has taken steps to ban certain gadgets and products from its marketplace due to safety concerns or other regulatory issues. However, despite these bans, some of these gadgets are still available for purchase on Amazon through third-party sellers. 18,000 GS Strong Security Tag Detacher Golf Detacher. The body is small, but with strong compatibility and high practicability, it will save you time with its amazing strength. Widely used in the supermarket, store, or any other occasion. Work with Ease Tags, Ease Safer, and Ease products. Allows for quick and easy removal of hard tags from the merchandise. Can remove almost all easy daily hard tags, including the square tag, hammer tag, ink tag, golf tag, and others. Up to 18,000 GS magnetic force provides remarkable detaching. Widely used in the supermarket, store, or any other occasion. Reusable product with extraordinary durability. Sabre Pepper Spray and 3-in-1 Stun Gun. Sabre is the #1 pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide. The strength of Sabre stun guns is independently tested to ensure reliable protection when you need it most. 42% of crimes are committed by multiple assailants. This pepper spray has 35 bursts and a true 10-foot range delivered in a powerful stream from the nozzle to the target's eyes, while decreasing wind blowback. Built-in clip for easy carrying. A stun gun delivers a painful 1.250 UC microcoulombs charge to help defend against an attacker. Anti-grab bar technology shocks an attacker if they try to take the stun gun away from you. Dolphin Escape Robotic. Take whatever preconceived notions you may have about pool robots and throw them out. The all-new Escape is here with groundbreaking technology to ensure that your pool is cleaned to a whole new level. Escape's low-voltage DC motors operate on nearly 90% less power than old-fashioned cleaners. While other pool cleaners can expend a massive 1,800 watts of power, the Escape robot requires just 180 watts, which is just 5 cents per hour. Karoo Wireless Flash Strobe Indoor Anti-Theft Alarm Siren. A solar-powered and waterproof feature allowing you to install it in any convenient location and fit for all climates and weather. Blue flashing strobe light suits for the old and partially hearing ones. There are 8 volume levels including mute, convenient for you to adjust based on your need at the time. The temper alarm function will make your home safer if it is removed from the wall. It can work as a high-power flash siren as well as a spot alarm panel. Lil Buddy LB110. The Lil Buddy telephone test set is designed for use by datacom, telecom, and cable installers and technicians. The compact test set is small enough to wear on a belt or fit in a pocket and features a shape that is comfortable to hold. Additional standard features of the Lil Buddy include an electronic ringer, microphone mute, continuous polarity indication for talk or monitoring, PBX pause button, redial memory, and others. This telephone test set is the choice for technicians worldwide. Amplified line monitor for volume levels comparable to off-hook. Tone and pulse dialing. Battery-powered monitor mode. Luwans transparent locks. The 7-piece transparent lock includes NGA AB lock, flat cava lock, crescent lock, slotted padlock, blade lock, cross lock, and slotted NGA lock, suitable for both beginners and locksmiths. All the locks are transparent and visible, convenient for you to watch the internal movement of the lock, helping you master the mechanics of the locks and learn to unlock them quickly. The difficulty of these 7 locks is different. You can learn to unlock them in order so as to improve your unlock skills gradually and move closer to the professional level. Learning order: NGA AB lock, slotted padlock, slotted NGA lock, cross lock, flat cava lock, crescent lock, blade lock. The lock shell made of acrylic has great transparency and stability. The pure copper cylinder is wearable, anti-corrode, and not easy to rust. And the 7 keys are in nice workmanship and have a smooth surface. PEX 20 Tactical Pen. If you are preparing stocking stuffers for men or your dad, our tactical pen is a wonderful choice. Our tactical pen can bring convenience for fathers to work at home, in the field, or daily driving, etc. It's not just an EDC accessory. Our tactical pen can also be used as emergency gear to protect ourselves. Dad will like the present, the tactical pen you gave him. It is well-crafted, compact tactical pen, combining the most needed EDC tools, very sturdy. You'll find a multifunctional head, can be used to open the bottle, unscrew the nut, etc., flashlight, emergency whistle, premium glass breaking head, and great writing ballpoint pen. The gift box includes a tactical pen, multi-tool card, greeting card, ink cartridges X4, and batteries X9 presets. Lots of multifunctional tool products are out there, but we do not always remember to carry them. Whenever you face danger, this is a great addition to your personal survival gear. So carry it in a pocket, briefcase, laptop bag, etc., especially for children, women, and older. Whistling loudly and flashlights can help to get more opportunities to escape in an emergency. The flashlight can be used in high beam and strobe modes. Propane torch, weed burner torch, propane. Flame King's propane torch does so much more than burn weeds. Use it to melt snow and effortlessly clear sidewalks and driveways. Jumpstart summer beach bonfires. Even use it to repair roofs and for various woodworking projects. This propane torch is safe to use all year. The ergonomic plastic handle makes it comfortable to hold for long-term use, lessening the chance of slipping or dropping the torch. It is loud when in use, which means you know when it's active. This torch puts out 340,000 BTU, making it a great choice for heavy-duty jobs around the home. The handle is easy to grip and the valve is comfortable to squeeze. A 6-foot hose is included in order to provide extra reach. Works with standard liquid propane and can be attached to cylinders from 5 volts up to 40 ohms. Stike Other Watch. The Other Watch is still an ESP 8266 development board, but you can wear it like a smartwatch. It comes installed with the latest ESP 8266 Other software. With this software, you can perform different attacks to test Wi-Fi networks. You can also use it to develop your own software. It is simple to use, just like any other ESP 8266 development board. Closes the connection of Wi-Fi devices by sending deauthentication frames to access points and client devices you selected. This is only possible because a lot of devices don't use the 800 and 2.11 2009 standard that offers protection against this attack. It comes installed with the latest ESP 8266 Other software. With this software, you can perform different attacks to test Wi-Fi networks. You can also use it to develop your own software. It is simple to use, just like any other ESP 8266 development board. Pocket Clip. Pocket Chip is a portable battery-powered Linux computer with a 480x272 resistive touchscreen and a QWERTY keyboard. It's about as powerful as a Raspberry Pi, but it comes with a custom touch-friendly version of Linux that eschews a traditional desktop UI. It's bigger than a really big phone and thicker than a laptop, and I can barely cram it into my back pocket. Software-wise, the top-level user interface is too simple and lacking in features to feel like a computer, and the command line that's always one click away is as absurdly powerful as the Linux command line has always been, and just as dense. With its no-snag design, the Pocket Clip allows Keysmart to be suspended part-way into your pocket. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.